Do you want your money to work harder for you without spending hours in front of a screen? Imagine earning passive income every month without trading stocks constantly. Today, I'll share the best dividend stocks to invest in for 2026, ones that will help you build wealth for the future. If you're like many investors, you're looking for ways to earn money without constantly monitoring the market. Dividend stocks provide a unique opportunity to do just that. Generate consistent income while holding on to your investments for the long term. In this video, we'll dive deep into the best dividend stocks of 2026, and I'll explain why these companies are poised for success, as well as the risks and rewards associated with dividend investing. So, if you've been wondering how to make your money work for you, this is the place to start. Let's break down everything you need to know about dividend stocks and how to pick the best ones for a reliable, long-term passive income stream. What are dividend stocks? Before we jump into our list of the best dividend stocks for 2026, let's take a step back and make sure we're all on the same page about what dividend stocks are. At its core, a dividend stock is a share in a company that pays a portion of its profits back to shareholders in the form of dividends. Think of it as a reward for being a shareholder. A company is essentially sharing some of its profits with you. The beauty of dividend stocks is that they provide a consistent income stream, which is especially appealing for people looking to build wealth without actively trading or checking the stock market every day. Instead of just hoping for capital gains, increased stock value, you're getting paid regularly, usually quarterly, regardless of the stock's performance. Why invest in dividend stocks? Now, you might be asking, why should I invest in dividend stocks rather than simply buying growth stocks and hoping they appreciate in value? Well, let's break it down. Steady income. Dividend-paying companies provide a regular income stream that you can rely on. This is especially important in retirement when you need money to live on, but it's also valuable for anyone seeking to reinvest and compound their wealth. Less volatility. While growth stocks can be highly volatile, dividend stocks tend to be less risky. That's because mature companies that pay dividends are often more stable, making them a good option for long-term investors who aren't interested in the stress of day-to-day market fluctuations. Reinvestment potential. By reinvesting your dividends, you can compound your returns and watch your investment grow over time. This is one of the best ways to build wealth steadily without needing to put in more money from your own pocket. Protection against inflation. Dividends can help protect your wealth against inflation. When inflation rises, companies with strong dividend histories often continue to increase their payouts, helping you maintain purchasing power over time. Risks to be aware of. When investing in dividend stocks, no investment is without risk, and dividend stocks are no exception. Here are some of the risks you need to be aware of before diving in. Dividend cuts. While many dividend-paying companies are reliable, there's always a chance that a company might cut or eliminate its dividend. This could happen due to poor earnings, increased debt, or other financial difficulties. It's crucial to do your research and make sure the companies you're investing in have a strong history of paying and maintaining dividends. Taxation. Dividends are taxed as income, and the rate depends on your income bracket and the type of dividend, qualified or non-qualified. Make sure you understand the tax implications before investing, especially if you're using dividends to fund your lifestyle. Interest rate risk. Dividend stocks can be sensitive to changes in interest rates. When rates rise, dividend-paying stocks may become less attractive compared to bonds or other fixed-income investments. However, this is usually more of a concern in the short term. Slower growth. Dividend stocks generally offer slower growth compared to high-growth stocks. If you're looking for massive returns in a short time frame, dividend stocks may not be the best fit. But if you're thinking long-term, that slow and steady growth can add up over time. How to pick the best dividend stocks of 2026. The key to successful dividend investing is choosing the right companies. ones that are financially healthy, have a strong track record of paying dividends, and are poised for future growth. Here are some factors to look for. Dividend yield. The dividend yield is the annual dividend payment divided by the stock price. A higher yield might look tempting, but it can also indicate potential risk. Be wary of yields that seem too high, as they could signal that the company is struggling and might be forced to cut its dividend. Dividend growth. Look for companies that consistently increase their dividend payouts over time. These companies are likely to have strong financials and a commitment to rewarding shareholders. A history of dividend increases is often a sign of a solid, stable business. Payout ratio. This is the percentage of earnings that a company pays out in dividends. A payout ratio that's too high can be risky, as it means the company is paying out most of its profits instead of reinvesting in the business. Look for companies with a payout ratio between 40% and 60%, as this allows room for growth while still providing a reliable dividend. Debt levels. High levels of debt can put pressure on a company's ability to maintain its dividend payments. Companies with low debt levels are better positioned to weather economic downturns and continue paying dividends. Top dividend stocks to invest in for 2026. Now that we understand the fundamentals, let's take a look at some of the best dividend stocks to invest in for 2026. These companies have strong fundamentals, a commitment to rewarding shareholders, and are positioned for future growth. 1. Johnson & Johnson, J&J. Johnson & Johnson has been a reliable dividend payer for decades, and it's showing no signs of slowing down. With a dividend yield of around 2.5% and a payout ratio of 44%, J&J is in great shape. The company operates in the healthcare sector, which is essential and tends to perform well even during economic downturns. Plus, J&J has a long track record of increasing its dividends each year. Why it's a great pick for 2026. The healthcare sector is expected to continue growing, and J&J's diversified business model across pharmaceuticals, medical devices, and consumer health provides stability. The company has a strong pipeline of products, and its consistent dividend growth makes it a top pick for dividend investors. 2. Procter & Gamble, PG. Procter & Gamble is a household name with a wide range of consumer products. With a dividend yield of 2.4% and a payout ratio of 60%, PG is a solid choice for investors seeking steady income. The company has been paying and growing its dividend for over 60 years, making it a dividend aristocrat, a company that has increased its dividend for 25 consecutive years or more. Why it's a great pick for 2026. As one of the largest consumer goods companies in the world, PG is well positioned to benefit from increasing global demand for everyday products. It has a stable cash flow, strong brand recognition, and a history of rewarding shareholders with consistent dividend increases. 3. Coca-Cola, KO. Coca-Cola is another dividend aristocrat, with more than 60 years of dividend growth. The company has a dividend yield of 3.0% and a payout ratio of around 75%. While this is on the higher end, Coca-Cola's massive global presence and strong cash flow make it a reliable dividend payer. Why it's a great pick for 2026. Despite the challenges in the beverage industry, Coca-Cola's strong brand and extensive product portfolio allow it to remain profitable and continue paying dividends. With its global reach and focus on innovation, KO is poised to maintain steady growth. 4. Verizon Communications, VZ. Verizon is a leading telecom company with a dividend yield of 4.5% and a payout ratio of 50%. It's known for its stability and strong cash flow, which allows it to maintain a generous dividend payout. Why it's a great pick for 2026, the telecom sector is essential, and with the rollout of 5G, Verizon is positioned to benefit from new technologies and increased demand. The company has a long history of paying dividends, and its large customer base provides a steady revenue stream. 5. McDonald's. MCD. McDonald's is another dividend aristocrat with a dividend yield of 2.3% and a payout ratio of 57%. The company's global presence and strong brand make it a safe bet for long-term investors. Why it's a great pick for 2026. Despite the competitive fast food industry, McDonald's strong brand and business model make it a reliable dividend stock. With a focus on innovation, like expanding its delivery services, MCD is poised for continued success. Dividend stocks are a powerful tool for building long-term wealth, and 2026 is shaping up to be a great year for dividend investors. The companies we've discussed, Johnson & Johnson, Procter & Gamble, Coca-Cola, Verizon, and McDonald's, are all well-positioned to continue paying and growing their dividends, making them ideal picks for your portfolio. Remember, the key to successful dividend investing is long-term thinking. Avoid the temptation to chase high yields without doing your research, and focus on companies with strong fundamentals, reliable payouts, and room for growth. If you're ready to start investing in dividend stocks, make sure you take the time to understand the risks and rewards, and don't forget to reinvest those dividends to compound your returns over time. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on our future videos about passive income and smart investing. Also, drop a comment below. What are your favorite dividend stocks for 2026? I'd love to hear your thoughts. Stay tuned for more content, and let's continue growing our wealth, one smart investment at a time.